for example, there was this fresh grad I knew, okay, way back, and he actually volunteered at a local IT project, for I think over a year. Uh, he was very resourceful kind of person, a fast learner, and he really is a self-starter. Because of that, you know, even with the unpaid work that he gets, it actually gained him very credible skills, that didn't just help him land his first paid IT job, but his job offer was actually 30% higher than the norm. Imagine that. All right. So, anyway, if you'd like to learn more about the power of volunteering, then grab a copy of my book, Get a Job. It's currently now 80% in Amazon.